I was told to deliver this message.
And I say this to you very deeply humble. You know, as a little boy, I used to cry over black people. I wondered about God. And I wondered, oh Allah, I didn't know him as Allah then, but oh God, you know, if you gave Moses to Israel, isn't there somebody for us? As a little boy, I thought like this. And when I would hear my mother and her friends from the islands discuss black people, I would lay in my bed at night, appearing to be asleep, listening to their talk about the suffering of black people, and I would cry myself to sleep, wondering, does anyone love you and me? And as a little boy of 11 years old, I visited my uncle who sits here tonight, who lived on, I think it was Manhattan Avenue. And when my uncle allowed me into his home and I looked on his wall, I saw the picture of a black man. It was very unusual because in my mother's house there was a picture of King George and Jesus. The king was white and Jesus, you know, he was that color too, and it just wasn't usual to see a black man hanging on no black man's wall. So I noticed that immediately, and I asked my uncle, who is this man? And this uncle of mine said, he's a man that came to unite black people. I ran up to the picture because from a little boy, that's what I wanted to see, brothers and sisters. I want to see us together. I want to see us in love with each other. I want to see us in the power of that unity, because I understand, from a child I understood, that that is the key to overcoming our oppressor. It is not what you know, independent of what I know, independent of what she knows, but it is our unity and the pooling of what we know. Right.